Hi all, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm excited to show the application which I developed for the tally analytics. Basically, this application is for like it will fetch the data from the tally and in the graphical format it will show you in this application. So it will be easy for the the users which just wanted to show data in the different format. So let's start quickly. So this is the user interface of the application. So here you can see the company loaded in the tally, which is ABC Company Limited, which in the background I already opened the tally. Just a second, let me show this screen of it. Okay, so yeah, so this is the ABC Company loaded in the tally. So the user interface is looks quite catchy. So there are few settings we need to provide for this application to connect properly to the tally. So let me show you quickly. So first thing is the period, from which period we wanted to fetch the data from tally. Then we have a tally port and the top 10 values on the dashboard. For example, top 5 customer, top 10 customers, right? So once these settings are done, so let's move to the dashboard. So it's loading, it's fetching data from tally. It's basically real-time connection. So for dashboard, it takes some times based on the data volume. So here we goes. Like here you can see like top 5 customers, and if you move the cursor like here, you can see the customer name. Okay, and these are my top 5 customers, these are my top 5 suppliers. If you move the cursor here, we can see the the name of the suppliers. Then the same, this top 5 stock items sold by quantity. Then we have top 5 products purchased in value. Similarly, we have you know different charts, like top 5 stock items sale value, receivable, payable, top non-moving items. Then we have a top 5 products purchased in volume. So here also we can see the the customer sorry, the product name. Okay, so this is about the dashboard. So here the last one is this top 5 slow moving items. So now let's move to the next section, so which is the sales. So I have split it into like sales, purchase, then inventory and the accounting details, right? So let's start with the sales, where we can see the first option, customer wise summary. So if you click on it, it will fetch real-time data from the tally. So here we can see the customer wise summary. Like this is the customer name, or what is the net sale, what was the net cost, the gross profit and the margin percentage on it. Okay, so we can also see the pivot for this data and chart for this particular section, customer wise summary. Sorry. Yeah, then then next we have a sales book. So in a sales book, basically we are getting all sales transactions detail, like what was the date, what was the month, the voucher type name, the party legion name, location, item number, the brand category. I mean, too many details here, like cost of sale, quantity return, sales return, and finally we have a margin here as well. So this is about the sales book. Then we have item sales. In item sale also we can see the details, like the item wise. Here we can see the stock item name, stock category, party name, country, state, total sold quantity, what was the amount and what was the month. Here also we have the option of pivot and chart. One more feature I added here is like we can see the print preview of this data, and like using this button, the okay, it's loading. Yeah, it's loading, it takes some time. So we can see the print preview like this, and we can print it as per the requirement. Also we have other options like we can export this data in Excel, PDF and HTML. Then we have a brand wise category section. So here we can see, like, the brand name and the month wise details, which contains the net sale, net cost, gross profit and margin. Okay, one more feature in all these grids are like we can group the columns. Like if you want to group on this, you can just drag and drop here. If not, we can put it here. We have also the filter options. So here we can see the filter. So let's say I'll apply filter on the accessories here. So it will only show the accessories. Okay, similarly we have a category wise, then we have a quantity wise supply.